1400. I'm going to turn it off in a minute. There we go. Right, I'll turn it off now. Oh, this is the washing machine. It's a 7 kilo. Am I right? Yeah. From 1 to 7 kilos. Okay, so this is. I've just washed these few items to. Oh my god, they're actually dry. So I've just tested it because it's not our new washing machine. It's a rented house one. It's a good washing machine, I can say. Put them back in it. But this one's going in the garage, and that's going in the dryer is already like that.